Moving on. Okay, Randy Rocky, Swan Financial. Jessica is currently renting an apartment. Her lease is up at the end of August. She's wondering, can she buy her first home? Now, she checked her credit rating. Randy, it's not good. In this email, she's asking, can she buy a house with a 580 credit score? And if not, what can she do to improve it quickly because her lease is up at the end of August? Thoughts?
Yes, absolutely. You can buy with a 580. It's going to require 3.5% down payment. So on a $200,000 house, she would be $7,000. Now, again, I would have to look at everything, her debt to income and other things. But yes, on the surface at 580, you can buy.
What does she do if she wants to improve her credit rating, pay off credit cards if she has that money available? Anything else that you would suggest?
Right. To find out if there's any, she has any collections, there's a good possibility at 580 there's collection problems, which sometimes is good and bad if you pay them off because it shows its ugly head again. If it's been a while since you've had the collection show up, but what we do is we have a score improvement that can show her it's automated on what she can do to improve her credit. So, and a lot of my competitors obviously have that as well. So that's what I suggest you do is get with someone and they'll give you some suggestions on how to improve your credit.
If you want to see what sellers and buyers are saying about our Sokoler tea, we're really proud of our reviews. You can go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com. And to see a replay of this show, you can go to LouisvilleAnswers.com. That's a redirect to our YouTube channel where all of our shows reside that you can see and hear.